Good morning, all. I am Dr. Shobha Kumar, Controller of Examination, TKIT Varnanagar. This video is to make aware about the paper showing facility and applying for revaluation by using UniApp software. First of all, student will go to student.varnauniversityapps.in. Then after that, he will click on student login. He has to mention his PRN as username, then password, whatever he is having. Once password is pressed, go to login. Then student will receive on his mobile OTP. OTP is verified. Once it is verified, dashboard will open in his login. Then to view the result, he will go to grade cards first. Choose odd sem academic year 24-25. Once it is clicked, the student's entire performance will appear. Grade card will be visible. Once this is seen, then for seeing the papers, he has to click on results. Then here, show button. Here, entire ESE papers are visible and ISE marks are also visible in this tab. So whatever blue colored ESE numbers are there, those are nothing but marks of ESE. Then to view the paper, student will click on that blue colored tab of that particular subject. Then first of all, he will come to know bitwise marks. Then later down, paper will be visible. Student has to check the entire paper. Any grievances are there, he has to approach exam coordinator of the department. Once all the papers are seen, then to apply revaluation, he will go to readdressal tab. Please select odd sem academic year 24-25. And one more tab is there where you will find soft copy and revaluation, both the things. For applying revaluation must be clicked. Create a form. Then there will be payment option given. Per paper there will be 500 rupees and maximum student can apply 3 papers for revaluation and he has to complete the payment process. If he is clicking on 4th, it will not consider because the limit of applying for revaluation is 3 subjects. You will get the pop-up also. If by mistake 4 subjects are clicked, maximum 3 subjects per course are allowed for revaluation per semester. With that pop-up, you need to clear out the options. Then save and continue. Later, payment amount is going to appear in red color box. Click on that. Then you will get the options here. Whatever options is feasible to you, you can use QR code or else other options as well. Once you pay the entire money, revaluation process is completed. Applying for revaluation is completed. Then later results will be